Okay, so we got 6-5 math, 6-5 math, lesson 6. Okay. Okay, so what new concepts do we have? So we have add-ins, we have sum. So add-ins, so if we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, the 5 and that 5, they're both going to be called what's called an add-in. So 5 is an add-in, and the other 5 is an add-in. And 10, which is my answer, is what's called the sum. And sum is when you get an answer from an addition problem, and add-in is when you're adding two numbers together. All right, feel pretty good about that? Okay, so that is add-ins and sum. Then we have the commutative property of addition. So if we have, when we're adding more than two numbers, so let's say 6, 3, and 4, that is when we're doing the commutative property of addition. So let's get that brought up real quick. So if I have 6 plus 3 plus 4, so 6 plus 3, what's that going to be, Hope? 6 plus 3. 9, yep. And then I have, bring over my 4. What's going to be 9 plus 4? Yeah, 13, yep. 13 is my answer there. And so when I'm adding 3 or more numbers together, that is when we're doing the commutative property of addition. So that's all that one's saying. Okay, let's jump into example number 1 on the bottom of page 20. Okay, so example 1, what is the sum of 7, 4, 3, and 6? So let's write all those numbers down. So example 1, the sum of 7, 4, 3, and 6. And I want to know what the sum is. How would I write that out, Hope? So first off, what's sum mean? Is that addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Yeah, adding, yep. So that means I'm going to add all those numbers together. So I'll take 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. So we're just breaking it down. So first off, we'll do these first two numbers. What's 7 plus 4 going to be? $11, yep. And now I'm going to bring my 3 and my 6 here. So plus 3 plus 6. So what would you do next if you were doing this, Hope? So you see 11 plus 3 plus 6. What would you do next? You said 11 plus 3? What's that going to be? 10? So 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Okay, so 14, and then bring down my plus 6. What's 14 plus 6 going to be? So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep. So 20 is my answer there for the sum of 7, 4, 3, and 6. Does that make sense how we got there? A little bit? You want to try another one? Yeah, let's try another one. Okay. So the same thing, let's do that again. So this will be my second example. Let's do the sum of, let's say 4, 5, 1, and 2. So what is the sum of this? How would I set that up? So take 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, right? So let's break this down. So let's take 4 plus 5 first. That's going to be 9. And then what am I going to write after the 9? Plus 1, and then plus 2, because I haven't done anything with those yet. So what's 9 plus 1? Yep. So 10 plus 2, 12. Good. You want to try one more of those, or you got it? Okay. Sounds good. Let's do example 2. Hey, Steven. Steven! Hey, Steven! Need help? No. You're good. All right, example 2. So example 2, 4 one-digit whole numbers are added. Is the sum more than or less than 40? Okay, so 4 one-digit whole numbers are added together. Is the sum more than or less than 40? So what it says there in the solution is, we do not know the numbers. So we do know that the sum, so we do know that, not the sum. However, we know that the sum is less than 40. Because the greatest one-digit number is 9, and the smallest number of 4 nines is only 36, the sum of the whole numbers is actually a whole number less than 37. So what that's saying is, my biggest whole number that's a one-digit number is 9, and if I add that together 4 times, is that a bigger number than 40? No, it's not. Let's show why. 9 plus 9 is 18. And then 18 plus 9 plus 9. So what's 18 plus 9 going to be, Hope? So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27. And then what's 27 plus 9 going to be? So we'll do the same thing. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 27 plus 9 is 36. Is that bigger than 40 or is that smaller? Yep. So that is smaller than 40. Good. All right. So now let's put this into play with money, because money is in our lives every single day. You guys are here right now because of money. You guys are in a house and you guys are wearing clothes right now because of money. Everything is because of money. Nothing in this world is free. Everything, even if some air as well. As you can see, the air outside right now wouldn't be good to breathe. So this good air conditioning in here, that's not free. Okay, so Jamal had $462, right? I'm gonna write that down. So Jamal had $462. Maria paid Jamal $58 rent. Maria paid him $58. So I'm going to say plus $58 because he paid him that. When she landed on his property, so then how much did Jamal have? Okay, so what we're going to do here is we need to add those together because Jamal paid, or Maria paid Jamal $58 more. So I'm going to take $462 plus $58. So Hope, what's 8 plus 2 going to be? Yep. So I'll put my 0 here, carry my 1, And then Hope, what's 1 plus 6 plus 5 going to be? You can always break it down. What's 1 plus 6 going to be? Oh, you did 6 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And then plus 1 more is going to be 12. Carry my 1. And then what's 1 plus 4 going to be? That's going to be 5. So $520 is how much Jamal received. Or is how much money he has now. $520. You want to try one more of those money problems? What do you want to try? Yeah? Okay. Let's try one more money problem. Okay. So, Mr. Doomer, say Mr. D, I have $5 in my wallet. I have $5 in my wallet. My payday, so payday, yay, payday. Mr. Doomer made, let's say, $200. So, what am I going to set that up? How am I going to set that up? So I have $5, and then I gain $200. How do I set that up? Yeah. So 200, is this plus 5 or minus 5? Yep, plus, because I'm gaining another $200. So then I add this up, 5 plus 0, 5. And then just bring down my other numbers. So I bring down the 0, bring down the 2. I now have $205, right? You feel a little bit better about that? Yeah, okay. All right, so you can go ahead and keep on working on your homework. So you have A through L, and then 1 to 20, 1 to 27. Yeah, you have 1 to 27.